Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful fragrance that I love to wear since it smells like vanilla. This is the Bath & Body Works Fairytale Fine Fragrance Mist 8 ounce. This is like the perfect bottle. It's beautiful and has the perfect size to put it in your travel bag if you want. The scent is very sweet, in my opinion. It's like a combination of vanilla and fruits, like the orange. So that's something that I really love, that combination. I like to put some of the perfume on my neck and a little bit on my arm, especially on my wrist. So I actually don't like strong scents because I'm allergic to them, but this perfume is like perfect because it's soft, and that's something that I love about it. So if you're looking for a sweet scent that smells like orange and vanilla, I highly recommend this one. This is the Fairytale Fine Fragrance Mist 8 ounces. It's perfect and I love to wear it, and that's my point of view.